the food was always what I think of as Jewish food. You know, it's like nice, savory, heavy, Ashkenazi Jewish food. So whatever the holiday was, we'd be eating the right kind of food. I say the right kind of food, though. I remember my grandmother and my mother and my father, they were all big lovers of tongue, which I thought was just so revolting. It was very clear in my mind that that was a very Jewish thing to do, but horrendous. Horrendous. So, you know, I do remember, you know, so they belong to the Unitarian Society, and my younger sister, Lee, she's always going to, you know, Sunday school and LRY, but you open the fridge and there's a big tongue. Big. So three-dimensional, like maybe it's like 9-dimensional, because it's, you know, the little, the texture and the heft of it. It'd be sitting on a plate, you know, a tongue sitting on a plate. So with that exception, I had a very strong sense of, you know, this is who we were, this is where we went, this is what we did, and a lot of it was around food.